Rice water is an excellent home remedy to treat diarrhea, as it promotes regular intestinal flow and prevent dehydration. It can be consumed by all ages, and is a natural way to recover quickly from loose stools. It can also offer other health benefits, as is rich in antioxidant that can help maintain healthy skin and hair, and prevent early aging. Rice water is very easy to prepare and use at home. You can use the water directly from the pot used to boil the rice. Here are the health benefits of drinking rice water. But before that, welcome to my channel. 10 health benefits of drinking rice water. 1. Relieving period cramps. Rice water is rich in magnesium, which helps relax the uterus and reduce the production of inflammatory substances like prostaglandins. 2. Increasing energy levels. Rice water is rich in carbohydrates and can therefore increase energy levels to prevent tiredness or fatigue. 3. Boosting immunity. When consumed regularly, rice water can help strengthen the immune system. It is rich in B vitamins and minerals, such as magnesium and zinc, that improve the body's response to infections. 4. Improving gut health. Rice water is considered to be a fermented, and therefore has probiotic action. It can help to improve intestinal health, and prevent episodes of constipation or diarrhea. 5. Fighting acne and pimples. Rice water can also help fight acne and pimples, as it is rich in starch. Starch naturally contains astringent action, which helps to cleanse the skin by closing the pores, reducing skin oil. Learn about other foods that help with acne that you can add to your diet. 6. Preventing premature aging. Rice water has several compounds with antioxidant properties, such as inositol, ferulic acid and gamma-oryzanol, which prevent damage caused by free radicals in cells. Some scientific studies suggest that rice water could improve skin hydration and elasticity, and also prevent the appearance of wrinkles and expression lines. Furthermore, there is also evidence that rice water is capable of inhibiting the action of elastase and tyrosinase, which are enzymes that contribute to premature aging. 7. Promoting hair health. One of the components of rice water is inositol, which is a compound that helps to promote healthy cells. This compound has natural antioxidant properties that also helps to maintain the integrity of cell membranes. Therefore, rice water may help to repair damage to hair strands and protect them from harmful substances like UV rays or contamination to promote healthy growth. Check out other foods for hair growth that you can add to your diet. 8. Maintaining skin health. Rice water is able to protect the skin from the sun's rays, as it contains an antioxidant called aminobenzoic acid. Some studies have shown that it may also help to prevent against melanoma. 9. Preventing dehydration. Rice water also helps prevent dehydration in cases of diarrhea, as it can help to replenish lost fluids. When prepared with salt, rice water can also be used as an alternative to homemade saline solution or oral rehydration salts, as it helps replace electrolytes and water. 10. Treating diarrhea. Rice water helps to combat diarrhea, as it can reduce bowel movements and form firmer, bulkier stools. However, rice water should not be ingested alone to treat diarrhea. It is important to accompany rice water with electrolyte solutions and easy-to-digest diet to help combat diarrhea. For moderate to severe diarrhea, you can take diarrhea medicine as prescribed by the doctor. How to make rice water. No special ingredients are needed to make rice water. It can be easily prepared at home using water directly from the pot used to boil the rice. To make rice water, add 3 tablespoons of white rice for every 2 cups of water, and let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Once ready, the milky water should be strained and stored in a jar in the refrigerator for a maximum of 1 week. How to take. The way rice water is used depends on the benefit you are hoping to achieve. To reduce diarrhea, drink 1 liter of rice water per day until the diarrhea disappears. For healthy, wash our hair with shampoo and rinse, then add rice water and massage into the scalp. Leave to act for 5 minutes and rinse with plenty of water. For healthy skin, wash your face with rice water or use it during a shower to wash your skin, once a week. Be sure to speak to your doctor or registered dietitian before using rice water to ensure you are obtaining all potential health benefits. Possible side effects. No side effects have been identified from taking rice water and it is generally safe for use. However, it is important to be aware of signs of allergies and irritation when used on the skin, as some people may be more sensitive to new products. When consumed in exceeding doses, rice water can cause constipation. Contraindications for use. Rice water should not be ingested by people who are allergic to rice or who have active skin diseases. If you have open lesions or wounds, speak to a dermatologist first before using rice water on your skin.
From ancient traditions to modern beauty routines, rice water has stood the test of time. Today, we explore the botanical industry of rice water, its uses, benefits, limitations, and future potential. Rice water is the starchy liquid left behind after rinsing or cooking rice. Historically rooted in Asian cultures, it has long been valued for its culinary, medicinal, and cosmetic benefits. Rice water is a multitasker. In hair care, it boosts shine and strengthens strands. On the skin, it soothes, tones, and brightens. It's used in cooking and even traditional medicine for digestive health and inflammation. With its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, it's gaining traction across health and wellness sectors. What makes rice water so special? It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids, and minerals. It's gentle, hypoallergenic, and incredibly cost-effective, making it ideal for sensitive skin and tight budgets. But it's not perfect. Rice water has a short shelf life and may cause skin irritation in some users. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, especially for oily hair types. When turned into commercial products, rice water is often combined with preservatives, fragrances, pH adjusters, and thickeners for stability, scent, and shelf life. Rice cultivation is water-intensive and a major source of methane emissions. Fertilizer and pesticide runoff can harm local ecosystems. And industrial rice water processing generates waste. The beauty of rice water must be balanced with sustainability. Top brands like Kiehl's, Pantene, and Now Foods have embraced rice-based ingredients. Rice bran oil, starch, and protein are key components in skincare, hair care, supplements, and food products. What's next for rice water? Future research aims to isolate key bioactive compounds, conduct clinical trials, and uncover how these elements benefit our bodies at a cellular level. The botanical industry of rice water offers a compelling blend of tradition, science, and opportunity. As interest grows, so does the responsibility to ensure its use is both effective and environmentally conscious. Rice water, simple in form, powerful in potential.